Dear parents and students, here is the end of year practice paper for term 3. Let's review together. Question number 1. What is the formula for finding the area of a triangle? The formula to find the area of a triangle is half base times height. Letter B. Question number 2. A rectangular prism has a length of 10 inches, a width of 8 inches, and a height of 6 inches. What is the volume of the prism? Volume of prism is equal to V is equal to length times width times height. So we need to multiply the 10, which is the length, times the width, which is 8, times the 6, which is height. 8 times 10, 80, times 6 gives you 480 inches 3. Question number 3. What is the measure of center that represents the middle value of a data set when the values are arranged in ascending order from smallest to biggest? The middle is called the median. Number 4, question number 4. What percent of the observation in a distribution lie between the first quartile Q1 and the third quartile Q3? This quartile would have been Q2, which is the same as the median or middle of the, which is 50%. Question number 5. A trapezoid has bases of lengths 8 centimeter and 12 centimeter and a height of 5 centimeter. What is the area of the trapezoid? Here is an example of the trapezoid. There are the B1, B2, and then the height 5. Let's use the formula to solve. The formula used to find the area of a trapezoid is area equal base 1, which is the top, plus base 2, which is the bottom, divided by 2 multiplied by height. This means 8 plus 12 divided by 2 multiplied by height. 8 plus 12 is 20, divided by 2 would be 10. 10 times 5 gives us 50. So there it is. 20 divided by 2 gives us 10. 10 times 5, 50 centimeters square. B. Question number 6. What is the formula for finding the volume of a rectangular prism? Same as we had up here. Volume equals length times width. So let's look for that. Volume equals length times width times height. There it is. B. Question number 7. A box plot shows the scores of a class. What does the box represent? The box represents Q1 to Q3. The box is the interquartile range of the data. Example of this box represents the interquartile range from Q1 to Q3 at the end. Question number 8. What is the mode of the data set 24642? The mode is a number that repeats itself the most. In this case, we had 2 2s and 2 4s. It means that we don't have any mode. So in this case, we have no modes. Question number 9. A survey shows the favorite colors of a class. What does the mode represent? Mode means the number that repeats the most. So if it's the favorite color of the class, the most popular color would have been the most repeated color. Question number 10. What is the range of data set 10, 12, 15, 18, and 20? The range is the distance between the lowest number and the highest number. So you take the highest number and subtract the lowest number from it. There we have it, 20 being the highest, the lowest being 10, 20 minus 10, so the range is 10. A. Section B, short questions. You must give the correct answer. Most of these questions are valued 2 to 3 marks. You must show all working. Number 1 in section B. A rectangular prism has the length of 4 centimeters with a width of 3 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. What is the volume of the rectangular prism? Volume equals the length, the longest side on the floor, multiplied by the width, shortest side on the floor, times the height, the side that goes up in the here. So the length was 4, width was 3, and the height was 10. We multiply 4 times 3, we get 12. 12 times 10, 120 centimeters cube, or cubic centimeters. There it is. Section B, question number 2. A data set has the following values: 2, 10, 6, 8, and 4. What is the median? The median is the middle number after it is organized in ascending order from the smallest to the biggest. So let's do that. There's the order: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So what's the middle number? Let's find it. We cross from the ends, 1 at the end, opposite ends, 2, 2, and the middle number is 6. So our median is